Alright, so we're on writing linear functions review. This is a review of what we've learned before. If you guys forget, that's okay. That's why we are reviewing. So first, we're going to see what the pattern is. So between the x's, we're going up by 1. For the y's, we go 2, 4, 6, 8. We're multiplying. 2 times 2 is 4. But 4 doesn't time anything to give you 6. And 6 doesn't time anything to give you 8. So this is actually addition. So we're actually going to be adding 2. So because it is addition, that means I do know that this is going to be a linear function. Alright, so for linear functions, I have the equation y equals mx plus b. My m is going to be my slope. M is going to be change in f of x over change in x. Change in f of x. The f of x is changing plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. So this is going to be 2. And the change in x, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. This is going to be 1. So my m is going to be equal to 2. So I have my m value. Now I need to find what my initial value. I'm going to show you guys how to calculate the initial value. If you don't need to calculate, you can kind of look on the chart and kind of tell you where the y-intercept is. If not, if they don't give it to you on the chart, you could just go ahead and do the calculations. So I'm going to choose a point. Let's choose 2, 6. And I have my m value. M is equal to 2. This is my x value. This is my f of x value. So I'm going to plug everything into my equation. Y, let's see, y is f of x, same thing. Y is going to be equal to 6. My m is going to be 2. My x is also going to be 2 plus b. So y is the same thing as f of x. 2 is the same thing. 2 plugs in for x, and m plugs in for 2. Now we can go ahead and solve this. 6 is equal to 4 plus b. Subtract 4 on both sides, and b is equal to 2. So I have my m value, I have my b value. I have my m value, and I have my b value. So I can put it into my final equation, f of x, or y, is equal to m 2x plus 2.